Hello Supermoms, today's video is about science activities for the preschoolers and toddlers. As we all know that science is all around us. My kids totally love these activities. These activities are inexpensive, quick and easy to set up, and super simple and playful. These activities build a solid base of knowledge in your kid and spark curiosity in them, and it would answer all their why, where, and hows. I believe understanding science helps kids to understand and relate to the world around. So let's start.
Okay, the first experiment I'm going to do with my kids is called rocket balloon experiment. It totally helps your kid to demonstrate basic physics. Take a regular balloon filled with air, pinch the end of the balloon and tip the balloon to the straw as shown. We're ready for the launch. Let's go and watch the rocket fly and kids being amazed. One is baking soda and vinegar balloon experiment. You can build a fizz in full interaction. Kids can get amazed and learn to blow up the balloon with the vinegar and baking soda, and trust me, for my kids, it's much more fun than using their gravity. To start, pour a little vinegar into the bottle with narrow neck. Use funnel to put a little baking soda into the balloon. Stretch the neck of the balloon over the top of the bottle. Try not to spill baking soda in the bottle. Tell your kids to lift the balloon up over the bottle and then let them enjoy the experiment. Okay, this one is a super fun activity for toddlers and preschoolers to determine whether various objects sink or float in the water. They will learn the density, not the weight of an object, determines whether it will float or sink. Object will float if it's less than the liquid. A simple placed object on the top of the water and observe what happens. I did this activity for the first time when they were just 2 years.
Okay, the next activity is a flower changing its color. First of all, this activity teach them patience as they have to wait for the result. For this experiment, fill a glass with the fresh water from the tap. Put 2 to 5 drops of food color in it and place white flowers in it. Children will observe simple science experiment with changing color of flowers. Easy spring activity, great national science project. My kids totally love it and it was bit of a magic for them.
This is more of a fun experiment. Things you need are a glass or a jar, food color, shaving cream, water and a dropper. Fill the glass or a jar with water, then top it with a generous amount of shaving cream. Use a dropper and your favorite food colors. It's more of a fun activity and let your kids enjoy.
Moving on to the next experiment, which is called bubble blowing activity. This experiment will give so much giggles to your kid because of the sound it makes in the glass. For this experiment, you need is glass or a cup. I chose plastic, water, drinking straw, colors, which is totally optional, few drops of liquid soap actually. Simply put a small amount of water in a glass and add few drops of soap and food colors and hand over the straw to your kids. Remind your kids to blow out and not to suck in. This experiment will teach the concept of a surface tension. The surface of a soapy water is more flexible than the regular water. So when you blow air in the soapy water, the air stretches the surface and bubbles are formed. Super fun experiment you must try with your kids. So guys, these are a few activities I did with my kids. Do try them at your home. I'm sure your kids gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned.